After downloading MSYS2, click on it. Now it's show down here, click on it and start the installation process. It will take time to install. Here you can see it's almost done. Click on Finish. Here the compiler MSYS2 is opened. Somehow if you lose it, you can find it again. Just go and start and search here MSYS2. And here is this. Tap on it and you can see it appear again. After it now, go back to fourth step, here is the link. Copy this link and paste on it. Now after pasting link, then press enter. Wait for this process until it completed 100%. Here you can see it completed. After it, go in the sixth step and search MinGW. Environment variable. Go in the start search here environment variable and click on it. Now click on this option. After it, click on path option and then click on edit. Go back. Here is the link. Copy it. And then go in path edit and paste here. And click on OK. If somehow your system do not show path option, just click on new right here path and here put the link and click on OK. Now click OK. Again. Click on OK. After it, check your MinGW installation. Go to the start. Search here command prompt. After it, type here gc version. And then press enter. Again type here g++ version. And press enter. After it again type here gdb version. And press enter. And our compiler extension are completed. After it, go to the folder and click on Visual Code Studio which we downloaded. Now let's install it. Accept it and click on next and next. Here it start installing. It will take some time. After it, here it's installed. Now click on finish. Visual Studio Code is opened. Go on the extension option to install some extensions. Search here C++ extension pack. Here is this. Just press on it. Here you can see I already installed. So after it, go in this folder option. After it, click on this files option. And then new text file. Here new file is appear. Now press on this untitled option and folder open. Type here test.cpp and save it. And here you can see our file got a new title. Now files will save by this file name. Now I'm just pasting some starting code here because if I type it will take time and I want to save your time. Here I paste starting code. Now let's do run and check our compiler is working or not. Just tap on this option and press on run. Click on second. And see it start compiling. It will take little time. Code is compiled. Here hello world is showing. I hope you like my video. If you have any question just comment down below and here to go.